Hey guys, I'm back today with a little update on my Firefly FFMN guitars, the Wolfgang copy. Um, Now I've had it for a month or better. Still loving it. I just wanted to go over some upgrades I'd done to this thing. So I did change the pickup out to a Guitar Part Zone. You get them on eBay. I changed it to their Demon pickup. It's 10.7K. I just like the way they sound. The stock pickup wasn't bad. This one I think's got a little more mid definition, and it sounds crunchy. I mean, I really like this pickup from them. I put a brass block in there, foam behind the springs. What else? Oh, I got locking tuners here. I put locking tuners. Just makes it easier for string changes. I mean, it's just convenience. And then I went ahead and put the pearl ends on my tuners. It's kind of like my EVH guitar now. I just like it stands out a little bit, but otherwise, this baby, this baby's a good guitar. Again, this is just a short little update on what I've done. The neck's good. Still straight as an arrow for me. I didn't find any high frets or anything on this guitar. Having it for a little bit. The neck hasn't moved. Still plays great. If you get one, I hope you get one as good as I got, because this thing's really, it's like one of my favorites. The only thing I got left to change here soon, I probably change his arm just to pop in one, but it's not a bad arm. It doesn't move around a ton. It's not wobbly, so they did a good job. I mean, this one has it's marked Floyd Rose on it. You can see right there. So I don't know how good a one it is. Like I said before, I'm not hard on Floyds. I'm not a wham. So anyway, gotta say, big thumbs up on this one. How about 2 thumbs up on this guitar? So take care, people. So I oiled up the neck. Again, I just use mineral oil. It's a food grade mineral oil. And then I went ahead and put some locking tuners on. And you know, guys, it's a lot easier. I just bought these. These are 7-string tuners, and I just don't use one of them. But it's cheaper than trying to find the 4 and 2. So I just buy the 7-string ones. And then I ended up putting these guys on too. The white pearl ones. Oh, and I oiled up the fretboard too. So the mineral oil works good. Everything. It's this thing sucked it in. I put like 3 coats of oil on it. So if you get one, go ahead and let her drink. And I got another pickup. These pickups don't sound bad, but I had one sitting around I've been wanting to try from Guitar Zone Parts, I think it's called, on try that one out. So I'm going to replace it while I get this apart. So, but we'll go ahead. I got an EVH pot for this thing because this pot's kind of on and off. So I kind of want to have it blend in a little bit. Otherwise, I already did this. And then I bought a big block. So we'll get started on this guy. One thing, when you put your saddles back on, make sure it makes an arch. So I think these were, trying to remember the numbers. Well, these were 3s, these were 2s, and these were 1s. So these were the tallest. Okay, I got the control cavity cut out big enough. I tested it. Now I'm just painting it black again to match. So you won't even see it. Covers go on, block covers it. So we're all done. Didn't take much. I just used one of these guys to get rid of the wood. All wired up. I got this thing adjusted. I got the big block. I had to carve the back out here a little bit. No big deal. Painted it. Look, you can't even tell. I put foam inside the springs and I got foam underneath it. So we're all done. Oil the neck up. Put the locking tuners on it. So she's all ready to go. I changed the pickup. I changed this pot to a Burns audio pot, but it's still kind of on and off. Kind of disappointing. I don't feel like rewiring it again. And it wasn't too bad. It took me about an hour to re-solder everything. And, you know, in the afternoon, I ground this out, put the block on, tuned it up, put the wires in there. So it wasn't too bad. The biggest thing was the pickups were a little bit, they had the screws sticking out of the back side of the pickups on my new pickups I put in. So I had to kind of work on that a little bit. And where the wires came underneath the pickup, I took a little Dremel and I ground it down so the wires lay flat, so the pickup laid flat. Well, that does it for the mods. There wasn't many. And if you guys get this guitar, you don't have to do any of these mods I did. It's just personal preference. Kind of, like I said, this is my hobby, so it kind of keeps me busy in the meantime. So between this and my other hobbies, I like to stay busy. I don't want to sit around. So anyway, great guitar. If you get one, let me know how it goes. But otherwise, really good guitar. Thanks, Firefly, and see you guys next time.